replacing these spark plugs. And everybody knows Chevy 4.3 on a Chevy Blazer. These are hard, so not hard, but you know. So you got that one, and you got this one. But we're gonna try to get to this one that's supposed to be hard first. It's behind this steering thing. So I got a tool for that. Put you up here. This wiring. First of all, let's see if we can fit this thing on there. I thought this wasn't going to work, so I bought this thing, knowing it's a Cornwell. It cost me a pretty penny, and that didn't work, so I was disappointed. What ended up getting the spark plug out was this. You get this on there, then you snake this up through there, offset wrench, and you put it on there, and just work it off. Keep working it off, and it came off. And I think this is why I have a misfire. It's missing the whatchamacallit, little focus. Yeah, this spark plug is like blown. It don't look bad, but it's definitely blown. 3 spark plugs out of there. And you can see this one is missing. I can zoom in on it. It's like completely gone. You see this has the tip, and this doesn't. And if you look at the spark plugs, AC Delco, and this one's a Bush, however you say that name. Bosch. So what they did is they replaced the 2 that were easy to get to, and the one that was hard to get to, they didn't replace it. It's never been replaced, it doesn't look like. Well, maybe once, but it looked like they skipped out on replacing it, and that's why it's completely gone, blown. So it's probably running off of 5 cylinders, and explains a misfire. AC Delco over here, so they pretty much didn't replace that one treble plug on the other side. It's kind of lame of somebody to do. But after you get that treble plug out, you can get the rest out with this. Zap it out with that. And then tighten them up by hand. And you're done with the plugs. And then the wires back here. Take them out, match them up, and put it together.